Hey guys, my name is Marco and this is my second video on YouTube and I'm really excited to be a part of YouTube. So today for my second video I'll be doing my reaction to the girl who eats her tampon. My friend sent me this earlier and I haven't watched it yet, so I decided to wait till I got home to share my reactions with you. And yeah. So, her name is Giovanna or something. I don't know. Let me get the video up. Okay, I am really scared to watch this. Okay, let's see what her name is. It doesn't say. Giovanna Plowman. Okay. So let's watch.
Okay, I'm Giovanna Plowman, and this is a period video. I just want to say, I'm not calling any tricks. Just a normal reaction. So,
She's showing so much cleavage.
I'll like pull it out and show you.
She's gonna pull it out and show you? Ooh, she pulling her pants down? Cover those titties. You don't need to show your face expression.
Okay. Here it is. Ew, it's so nasty. I'm just gonna sit on the counter. I'll just set it over here so you can see it.
Don't show it to, oh my gosh.
This is honestly going to be disgusting.
No.
Oh, okay, I have water.
Girl, you cray.
Jeez, sit down. Oh my god, let me fix this.
She still needs to cover those tits.
Now some music.
Some music. Nice music for, like, tampon eater. Ooh, she grabbing up a chair.
Oh my god. If anyone says this is fake, there's obviously something wrong with you.
Don't do it. Is she gonna do it? No, no. Is she gonna do it? No. She's smelling it. Don't, oh my. Don't go for a second. She's can't watch that. That's freaking nasty. Oh my gosh. That is freaking nasty. Who would do such Oh my gosh. Like, I feel something in my throat. That's nasty. It's worse than the poo eaters cup. Two girls in one cup. That is nasty too. Just no. Why would they? Why would they even eat their own? That's just nasty.
Yes.